Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read your Robinhood tax documents. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, here is a Robinhood article, and this is the support articles. And from here, you will find more information on how to read your tax documents. And basically, in tax documents, you will have many forms, depends on your situation or on the form that you need. And this is the 1099 form. And as you can see, this is how it looks like in the form. And basically, this is just a form example or sample, and it will include these key information. It will have the Robinhood address and taxpayer identification number, and basically you will have it here, and you will see your account information, including your account number, address, and your number, etc. And basically, you will have also the dividend and the distribution. That means all the benefits that you gain from stocks, which are the dividends and also the distribution. And as you can see, it will include income from any dividends or distribution from investment during the year that you have done, etc. And as you can see, those are your dividends, and this is the details of your dividends. And after that, you will find also some other informations like the income, and you will have many other informations that will be added to this form. And depends on any form that you are interested in, you will need just to come to the Robinhood support. Just type Robinhood tax documents in uh, your web browser, and then you will be searching for the form that you would like or you are interested in, and you will find more information about it. And as you can see, those are all the informations that are included in these documents. And of course, this is just uh, the headers, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.